Hello, Odoo. I hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to discuss about new feature in Odoo 19.1. So which is to set easily variant product variant specific price easily. So let's say how we can do this. So I will open inventory products, and here the main product, you can see this is the product template and the price is 295. And if I go to variants, and I can see two variants. So if now I want to set each variant with different unique price, then how we can do? So in the previous version, it was not possible to add here. We can like do using the extra cost or something in the previous version. So in Odoo 19.1, this is the new feature released. We can just easily change here. Let's say this product variant price is 300, and if I want to set for this as a unique different price 315, right? So you can see though this both variant different price. If I go to main template, then you can see this price, right? So this is the new feature, like how we can easily just change sales price in the variant specific in Odoo 19.1. So I hope this video will help to you.